guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm back with another Pinterest outfits recreated winter edition. So I have 4 different outfits, again kind of layering a little bit more coat action in here because I know sometimes we need coats if we're like in a really cold place like the Midwest, and then some people don't need that because if they live in Texas it's still like 70 degrees. As always, these videos are really fun. They're able to kind of teach you that you don't need to go out and buy all new clothes to create and need to get inspiration and, I don't know, joy out of styling your clothes. It truly is all about just looking for inspiration. I love Pinterest. You can use Instagram, whatever floats your boat. But Pinterest is one of my favorites to go to when I'm like in a fashion slump, when I have a piece that I bought that I don't necessarily know how to style or want to just learn different ways to style it. Pinterest is my go-to. So I've got a couple different outfits for you here, 2 different coats to kind of mix in, and yeah, I'm excited to share with you my little winter edition. And like always, you can kind of customize this to what you need. If you live in a colder place, layer under. You do not underestimate the power of a base layer. If you live in a warmer place, maybe swap out the coat, maybe swap out the sweater for a t-shirt or a long sleeve or something like that. It's super versatile. But I will have my Pinterest linked down below, as well as all the clothes that I mentioned. But I do encourage you to shop your own wardrobe, find your own pictures that encourage you and inspire you, because fashion is fun. So that's what these videos are all about. So let's go ahead and start with outfit number 2. Let's go ahead and start with outfit number 1. I'm not sure where I thought I was going with that. I was just trying to skip over outfit number 1, which I don't know why, because she looks so dang cute. So we've got outfit number 1. Now, I love this look. It's incorporating a ton of trendy styles right now, like that headband thing, which I don't actually own. So we're gonna Kellyify it. We're gonna use something that I already do have. But I see this trend everywhere, and like, is it something I really want to get behind? I'm not sure. But she looks super cute with it. And then it's also got the platform Uggs. I don't have that exact style, but I have something similar. And I'm always looking for outfits to wear with that aren't just like sweatpants and comfy clothes. So I love the layered ability of this look. And again, if it's not cold where you live, swap the sweater for a long sleeve, swap the jacket for a lighter trench coat. You can do a ton of different stuff, and then omit the scarf. But this is first outfit, and I'm super excited. I think this is comfy, casual, like elevated, if you will, than just your basic leggings and a sweater. It's a much more elevated, and she looks super put together. So that is the power of styling clothes. Let's see what I do with outfit number 1. All right, so outfit number 1 has just like your basics. If you're like a mom and you're like in leggings and a sweater, or leggings and a sweatshirt, this is a look that you can simply just add those extra couple pieces and elevate your look 100 times. Okay, so let's switch into a pair of black leggings, which I'm pretty sure everyone owns, and a striped sweater, and we'll come back to accessorize and elevate it and show you the power of styling. I'm sure if you are a millennial mom, then this is an outfit that you're very comfortable and very like at home. This is your comfort zone, but let's elevate it a little. Let's throw on a piece that just instantly makes your outfit look trendier, younger, if you will, which is a pair of like slouchy socks. I think this just instantly like makes your outfit look more youthful. I don't know how to explain it, even though to me it's the opposite, because these were like things that like my mom would wear in the 90s, but nonetheless, it's coming back. So let's pop these guys on. I really like these socks. It's either like a happy medium. They're not too like in your face high, but they're not like low. So again, she has like the very like classic, I think they're like the, what are they, the mini platforms, but I only have the Tasmans, or I have like the taller ones. So we're sticking with these. And then she has just a couple really cute basic layering pieces that I think everyone should have in their wardrobe. So she has a coat. Now this is the way that you could instantly make this a warmer outfit. Like if leggings are too warm for, like not enough for you, add another layer, add jeans, add thermals, whatever, and then layer under this. And then for me, I'm going to pair it with a heavier coat, but you could also pair it with a lighter coat if you live in a place that's not so cold. I've had this trench coat wool thing from since I was in college. Like, I've had it forever. It's just one of those things that you invest in a piece and it just stays with you forever. And this is such a classic style that really never goes out of style. Hers is much more oversized, but that's okay. You don't have to have something that's insanely oversized if you don't necessarily want to or comfortable, or if you just have something similar that gets the job done and achieves a similar look, then cool. Obviously the longer trench coat is very in style right now, but this one I think is still cute. But you know what, I think I'm gonna swap it for my longer, thinner trench coat to see how that looks. I think this is a little bit short and a little bit like fitted, but don't get me wrong, this is still one of my favorite jackets of all time. But let's see how I feel with the longer trench coat. I do not plan out all of these outfits beforehand, so you will see me fail occasionally, and that's okay. I say fail very like loosely. Anyway, I got this trench coat from Old Navy, and it's super cute. This one's a little bit longer. It's still not as long as hers, but I feel like it's a little bit longer, and you can always kind of like drape this one a little bit more. The only reason I didn't want to use this color is I felt like it was too close to this white, but I still think it works. So let's go ahead and accessorize with a scarf. I hate these hangers. I don't know why I bought them. They literally remind me of wind chimes every time I go to use them, and they drive me nuts. And then my girl has a little side body bag. And then she has super cute like sunglasses and a headband. And like I said, I don't have that kind of headband, but I do have something like this, which I don't know if I would pair it like this, but okay, I'm not mad at that. And then she has some like big sun mist, so this is a more comfortable style for me, and it still looks kind of trendy. I mean, she definitely looks 10,000 times better, but I'm not mad at it. I think it's kind of cute. So what do we think? I think I like hers better, but nonetheless, if it's something that I continue to see those headbands and like a more oversized longer trench coat that my eye is continuing to draw from, cool, then I can add that to my wardrobe. But if not, we wait for that trend to die and keep the traditional ones, which is most likely what I'm gonna do. So let's move on to outfit number 2. Now, outfit number 2, because apparently I wanted to jump to outfit number 2 first, but outfit number 2 is super simple, but I think it's really freaking cute. It's giving like dad vibes. I don't know, I love it though. It's very, very basic, but I think it's super cute, and yeah, I wanted to wear it. I also am not sure about the sneakers with this jeans, so I have not paired my like dad sneakers. I'm gonna be pairing different sneakers than she has, obviously, but I'm not sure how this is gonna look on me, so we'll see how I feel about it. But this is just, again, a very comfortable, very casual, very like put together, kind of trendy, but also just like comfort. So let's go ahead and recreate outfit number 2. For outfit number 2, we're gonna go with just like a basic medium wash jean. This is something her like ripped, or not ripped, like unfinished hem at the bottom is something that I've been wanting for a while, so I am on the hunt for those, probably into spring. But for now we're just gonna use what I have and throw on a navy sweater and accessorize lightly. But I think this is still gonna be super cute, so let's do it. Miss Wrinkles, what you doing over there? Still, girlfriend? Don't know? Are you gonna come behind me? I don't want to step on you. It's a risk you're willing to take, okay? What? What? Why do you look so sad down there? Poor honey bunny. Alright, so I'm, I guess, not concerned, but I don't know how these pants are gonna look with sneakers. Also, whew, just feeling all tight today. I think I freshly washed these and haven't broke them in, you know? If you know, you know. Abercrombie jeans like change 2 sizes when you wear them. Alright, so I don't think she has hers tucked in, she just kind of has it like placed, which is cool. Fine. Let's put on our sneaks. This is where I don't know if these are gonna work. I have like athletic sneakers like hers, but I don't think so. I don't think that's the vibe for me. So we're just gonna go with New Balances, which are like trendy enough. Some distressing at the ends would be cute, so let's just kind of cuff them a bit. Okay, I'm not mad at that. Okay, she's got some super cute like denim accessories, which I don't fully have. I have this denim hat that I got forever ago from American Eagle, and I like never wear it. I don't know why. I mean, I think it's cute because I love the denim vibe. I think it's the giant smiley face, but let's be real, it's cute. So here we've got this, and then she's got like a denim like tote. I don't have a denim tote, but I do have this. This is our scavenge bag. let me rephrase that. Our nature bag. It's always full of sticks and leaves because I take this on our walks when I'm with Arlo, and we can like pick flowers and sticks and rocks that he thinks are cool. So mine's dirty, but you get the vibe. I have another one as well that I keep in my car, but a different size. But what do we think? I think this is cute. It's very comfortable, but I think that the accessories and the all blue look kind of work. Not bad. Hey, oh, sorry, Miss Minnie. That's why you can't sit back there. It's casualty. Sorry, little ladies. Go lay down in a safe spot. Go lay down in a safe spot. It won't hurt you no more. Okay. I think it's cute. I'm a fan. Medium wash jeans, a navy sweater, sneakers, and light blue accessories. How could you go wrong? Outfit number 3 is just a little bit trendy and a little bit like, or a little bit classic meets a little bit like new. I don't know how to explain it. It's got skinny jeans, okay? So all my lovers of skinny jeans, it's okay to find kind of like updated, more chic ways to wear your skinny jeans instead of just like with a skinny top. Like there's ways that you can still keep those things in your wardrobe, so don't get rid of your skinny jeans. They will come back around, or you can always find ways to wear them. If an outfit that you like has leggings, swap them for the skinny jeans. There's just so many different ways, but I feel like a black classic pair of skinny jeans, you cannot go wrong. So I love this outfit. It's got like a graphic hoodie, which I have realized I need more of. I only have graphic crews, so I think this is super cute. And I love this look. Everything about it, the sleek bun, the chunky upper layers, the skinny bottoms. It's just so balanced and so cute. So let's go ahead and see if I look as good as she does, because she looks like she is strolling the streets. So switch this out. I'm excited, really excited for the next outfit. I think it's gonna be like perfect balance of, like I said, like classic but trendy all at the same time. So let's go ahead and swap these straight leg jeans for a pair of skinny jeans and a little graphic hoodie. This is my mom's hoodie from her like class reunion. She went to Oakfield, Alabama in New York. This hoodie though is like so messed up. Why is it doing? Who cares? All right, black skinny jeans. These are basically like leggings. Oh my God. All right, we made it. They are literally like leggings. I don't know, they're on. That's all that matters. All right, she has some boots. So let's put on our Chelsea boots. Strug City. Drop it low. Oh God. All right. I swear they're not uncomfortable once you get them situated. I think they're a bit tight. Okay, now she has round sunnies. Do I have my round sunnies? Where are my round sunnies at? Oh yeah, I got them. Okay, she has her like sweatshirt like tucked up here, which is surprising. I can tuck anything into these waistbands. Oh, good lord. All right. And then she has a trench. So I'm gonna, again, hers is long. We're gonna go with the one that I have. I'm like also so full because Scott made me the most random concoction you can think of, but it was so good. Over the weekend, he made bao buns, which, phenomenal, with pork belly bao buns. They were so good, like so good. We had some friends over to watch the football game, and I think we ate like 50 of them together. Anyway, this morning we have a lot of pork belly left, so we did farro, pork belly, apples, and green onions, and it sounded disgusting, but it was so good. And so I'm really full. Oh, and some eggs. I'm very full. So maybe that's why, that's like the excuse I'm gonna use as to why my jeans don't fit. Not that I had a child before or whatever. Who cares? Okay, this is adorable. I have a tote. I have this, which I don't know if I would really wear this. I guess, yeah. This would be a cute like travel outfit. Swap the jeans for leggings. This is cute. It's like kind of your bulkier pieces. I'm not mad at this. I only think that way because I carry this to travel with. My hair is finally getting long enough to put like a little nub back there, and I'm here for it. And these glasses only look good when my hair is pulled back, in my opinion. Giving Yoko Ono, whatever, who cares? You know what I mean. Cute. Nailed outfit number 3. Let's move on to outfit number 4. I lied, she doesn't have a coffee. She just has hand in the pocket. Nonetheless, you get the vibe. The zipper came out way too quick on those. My thighs are like, save me. All right, last outfit is very like comfy, casual, going to work at a coffee shop. Just like very chill, but also again, just very well styled and put together in ways that like, maybe you would just wear jeans and a t-shirt, and it's an elevated way to kind of just add an extra layer of warmth, practicality, and just style overall, which I think is super cute. I think it's something that takes an outfit from just being an outfit to like extra, like effortless. Like she's in jeans and a t-shirt, but it's elevated in a way that just makes it look so chic. So let's see how I do with outfit number 4. Yep, these are it. My balloon pants are back. These are just literally everything. Okay, so we've got our basics. Again, if this is too like you're like a t-shirt in winter, that's cute, Kelly, but no. Swap it out for a white sweater. Good to go. But you're layering, so it's not that big of a deal. Okay, so got this. What is she? Oh yeah, she's wearing her clogs. So let me throw mine. Okay, now it's all about the accessories in this. I really want to keep my hair up, but let's see, because she wears the same glasses I wore in the last one, so we'll see. See what I think. Okay, black blazer. She has like this pinstriped gray, more oversized blazer than I have, but again, we're working with what we've got, and I think this will still look cute. And then she accessorizes with like a cream or like a tannish color sweater over the shoulders, which you already know I love. Okay, this outfit's so cute. Super cute. Very like traditional with the white tee and the blazer, but you've got the over the shoulder, which is very like trendy, the big old jeans and the clogs. She's wearing, or she has like a tote. So I guess again, I don't know, if you're going to a coffee shop, I guess this would be fine. And she has her laptop, so she's giving working girl. That sounds weird. Girl who works kind of thing. So yeah, what do we think? I love this outfit. I think it's very comfy, very casual, very like, I could wear this all day, but I still look like I took some effort to put together my outfit, which is always the goal. So outfit number 4, hers, mine, I love it. All right, you guys, so that's it. Those are my 4 outfits that I wanted to style with you today. How'd I do? Let me know what your favorite look was in the comments down below. And again, like I love making these videos, but if there's any specific sort of like category that you want to see, I know a lot of people are like, oh, it's very repetitive, and I know it's because it's stuff that I already love, have, own, and I just feel like I'm very classic when it comes to my style, but I do like to go outside my box. So if there's a specific style that you want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. I know one of y'all has been asking for overalls, and they're coming, actually a couple of you, they're coming throughout the rest of the next video. They're coming, I'm sprinkling them in, but it's very hard to style overalls for the fall and winter. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun and helpful, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye!